Recently, I received a message from a good friend of mine that I used to work with. He had a question saying that he cannot turn off the solid hatch inside the wall cut plane when he changed the plan view detail setting from coarse to medium or fine. So let's take a look at what the problem is. Now I'm just going to draw some wall in this plan view. I'm going to just pick out another one. And maybe this one. Now typically when you change the detail level, if I change from coarse level to medium level, you will see the different components inside the wall. And also when you click the fine level, you will see the same component inside the wall in terms of layers. When you toggle back to coarse mode, they all disappear. Now, typically when I do preliminary floor plan, I like to have a tone fill inside the wall in floor plan so it reads better. Now you can do this typically by wall type. If you click on one of these walls and you go to the type property, maybe we can just click on the property here, edit type. And you can see that in here there's a graphic coarse fill pattern. Right now it's none. If we change this to a solid pattern or any other of the available drafting pattern or model pattern, select OK. And then you can change the color fill. Usually I don't want it to be too strong to be black, so I put it into like a medium gray tone, select OK. And then if we say apply, let's select OK. You can see this is a tone fill for the coarse display of these wall cut. But we have to do it for each one of the wall type to make it consistent. Now, and also sometime when you add new wall type, you will have to deal with the new wall type you include in your floor plan, so it could be quite cumbersome. Now, rather than doing this, I can use visibility graphic override. I just type VV in my for my keyboard, and then go down to the wall category in here. And I click on the cut pattern override. I change this to solid, and I change this all to a tone. Maybe I should choose a different tone, so just to show you the override, maybe I want it to be a green color, select OK. And make sure the foreground toggle visible is checked, and then select OK, then select apply. And you can see that all the wall inside my floor plan is override with the same consistent tone color. So when I create a new wall type or I import another wall type, it doesn't matter what the type setting is, it will be overridden by the view setting. So this is how you can override it. So when you change this to medium level, you will not be able to remove the tone. And when you change the fine level, you will not be able to remove the tone. If you want to go back to without any tone, you have to do you have to disable the override inside the view. So what you need to do is go back to visibility graphic override, type VV or VG from the keyboard, or you can go to use the ribbon panel. I just like to type VV, and then go back down to the wall category and click in here and select clear override and select OK, and then select apply. And then you can see the default setting for this wall type. So when you come across a floor plan, when you change the detail setting to fine or coarse, and you don't see the tone line or the fill tone to be turned off, then you need to go to turn off the visibility graphic override setting. Now in this floor plan I did some time ago, I actually override the cut plane setting in the view. So what happens is that if I change this to coarse or medium, the tone inside the cut plane of the wall will not be turned off. So in this case, if you want to take this drawing to design development or production drawing, what you need to do is that you have to turn off the visibility graphic override setting inside the view. So you need to go type VV from the keyboard and then scroll down to the wall category. And in the wall category, you pick on the cut pattern in this button here. You just select clear override and then select OK and then select apply. Now after you've done that, the wall will behave typically like a REVIT project file. So when you turn this back to coarse mode, it will not show the components. And when you turn to medium or fine mode, you won't see any fill color inside the cut plane of the wall. So I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.